Well, hello, loves. This is Kimberly here. Welcome to A Blessed Home with Kimberly Davis. Today, I am bringing to you another Temu haul. If you are interested in seeing things that I just wanted to try from Temu, just keep on watching. Yes, I am at it again. If you've been following me, you know I have been shopping on Temu. If you have not heard of Temu, Temu is an online marketplace that sells a variety of things: home decor, housewares, automotive, lawn and gardens, apparel for your children, your hubby, yourself, shoes, jewelry. I can go on and on and on. Tools, they have so much to offer us, all right? And I must say, it is at an affordable price. And guys, on top of the affordable prices, they're always having a sale or lightning deals that make your savings or your duckies stretch even further. So after you view this video, head over to Temu.com. Also download their app, because I'm sure you download their app, you will be strolling like I do every single day to see so many different and amazing things. Seriously. So, without rambling on, we're going to just jump right into this haul. So the first thing I wanted to try is something actually for not me, but for my hubby. My hubby has been on the Temu site and he's been looking at shoes. So I ordered a pair of shoes for him, and I'm going to open the bag so I can share them with you. He's not home at the moment, but I cannot wait to see his reaction and let him try these shoes on and get his opinion about them. All right. The style right now with men that I've been seeing lately is a nice, comfortable sneaker. All right. And if you could find a sneaker for men in different colors, they absolutely love it, right? So I ordered these in a khaki color, and they are a tie-up sneaker. This size is actually a 13. They have a thick sole, breathable mesh material, and the heel is like this. So once he gets home, I'll have him try these on and see how he likes them. All right. I think they're really, really nice. And I know once he sees those, he will probably be wearing them right away. Now the next item, I saw it and I was like, wow, this will match a handbag that I'm carrying at the moment. And it is a beautiful scarf. How pretty is that? And it has two things that I absolutely love: the leopard print and the green and red pattern. All right. I love scarves. What I really love to do with them is wear them on my head. Not so much as a wrap, but you could wear it as a wrap, like so. right? You can wear it as a wrap. And this is so, so pretty. Or like I do, trying to get it right here. Get that V right. You could also place it on your head and wear it as a cool scarf on your hair. So I am a hat girl as well as scarves, especially now in Florida. It's hot, but it's also windy. All right, so you can put one of these beautiful scarves on and look fashionable, right? How pretty is that? I think I'm gonna leave this on. What you think? So yes, all of the items that I show you today are very affordable. I will have them in my description box down below, as well as the price. All right. So the next item I'm going to share, and I'm looking down. Let me grab this because I've been eyeing this bag, and it's a simple bag, but I've been eyeing it for a minute. Something that I can carry. Sorry for the ruffling of the bags, y'all. But when hubby and I, when we travel, we'll travel, do day trips or weekend trips. But when we travel, I like to have like a handbag that I can carry in the car that will hold like my laptop, my planner, different little essentials that I can be working on as we are heading down the road to our whatever destination, right? But I saw this cute handbag and I was like, oh my goodness, this is adorable. And it is a canvas bag with my initial on it in black and white, because you all know I'm loving the black and white now in my home, in clothing, everything pretty much. And this cute bag has a little ribbon that is tied to the handle in a stripe of black and white. This is a pretty good size, and it will definitely hold quite a bit. You see how wide that is? It will hold quite a bit. So I can put all of my, I call it my to-go office essentials in this bag and carry it with me. This is actually going to come in handy too this month because my son is getting married, so any essentials that I need to carry with me, I can place it in here and we will be good to go. And I'll know exactly where to go. All right. So the next item is for going in the box, is for my guest bath. Haven't worked on that yet because I'm still ordering things for it, but this will work beautifully in there. I'm also doing some black and white in that guest bathroom / my son's bathroom. And this is a toilet tissue or bath tissue holder. It's like so. What I love about this, of course, one, it's black and white. Two, if you have a tendency to stay in there for a while, if you know what I mean, you could be handling business, or you're in the shower, you can place your cell phone on this little shelf here. It comes with the anchors, like so, or it has an adhesive tab that you can place on the back. All right, I'm going to use the anchors to make sure it stays up. And guys, this thing is not light at all. It's actually heavy. So yeah, we're gonna mount this in the bathroom, and it will be a very, very nice. I also have another piece that will go with this. That comes with your anchors and your screws. Directions, of course. And it's this. It is a towel bar. Get it out the wrap here. It is also in black. And it is heavy too, guys. What I love about Temu, like I said before, it's very affordable, and they have so many different things. You can go on there and buy hardware for cabinets, your bathrooms, kitchen. They have it. Temu, I'm waiting on y'all to have some furniture next. I'm laughing, but I'm serious. But yeah, this is heavy. In black. Shows you where to place your anchors. Like so. And I can't wait to install the bath tissue holder as well as this. I'm in search for a faucet. That's what the holdup is on that bathroom. I'm not finding what I want. I'm being very picky because I'm not planning on changing this bathroom no time soon, other than the only thing I plan on changing in there is a shower curtain if I have to. But other than that, like hardware or anything like that, I'm not changing. Okay guys, the very last few pieces. This is gonna be a quick and easy haul here. When I saw this, I was like, OMG, because it kind of reminded me of some shoes that I had saw, and the other thing is a handbag, all right, that a well-known brand carries. So I'm going to show you the shoes first. And I don't know if they sent me the right size. Huh. But anywho, it's these. So I thought I asked for a 42. But I'll double check. Aren't these gorgeous? These slides. They sent me a 39. These are gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. I'm loving that gold the gold emblem, excuse me, on it. Love this padded looking feature on the shoe. Here's the bottom. It has a rubber sole. The heel has a pad on it itself, and I love, 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 love that. But a very, very pretty shoe. And again, I need to check my order because I thought I ordered another size. We'll see though. Love, love, love them. And lastly, go with those shoes. They just don't have that emblem on it. But like I said, with the canvas, I could carry this too, but I'll carry this as a purse. And it's this. But loving this puffer handbag. And I cannot wait to carry this. Look at it on the inside. It's lined in a burgundy. And wait, there's more. also have a little carry bag as well if you want to. If you don't want to carry the big bag, you can grab this and go and run to the grocery store real quick. Just with this. I absolutely love it. You can also put your makeup in here. Office stuff in here. But yeah, I'm loving this bag. I'm loving it. Not too big for me, not too little. It's just right. I love like medium-sized bags. Nothing too heavy, nothing too big that gets too heavy for me to be carrying, right? But yeah, I'm loving the items from Temu, and I'm going to be sharing more of Temu. I absolutely love Temu's products. I love the prices because you cannot beat them. If you are new here, welcome to the channel. I'm so glad that you are here, and I hope you decide to stay by clicking that subscribe button and subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to ring that bell, ring it twice, so you'll be in the know of everything that goes on here at A Blessed Home with Kimberly Davis. I can be followed on other social media sites, which are Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and I have an Amazon store where you can shop 24 hours a day, 7 days a week for beautiful home decor, home essentials, personal items, and more. All of those links can be found in my description box down below. And if you are a faithful and returning ABH family member, you already know how I feel about you. I love you guys so much, and I am truly blessed that you are a part of our amazing family that we have here. Thank you so much for watching. You take care, you be blessed, and I will see you on the next video. Have a blessed, beautiful day. Please be safe out there, and I will talk to you real soon. Love you guys.